Hello.
Hello.
What is this in your hand? Is this a new weapon?
No, it's a pencil from maker Belarus.
How we make it?
I don't know. Let's watch this video. I took a 3mm rod with 2mm hole and 2mm rod without holes. Connect them, edit tape, then tap 2.5mm, these three pieces. You have to use first, then second, then third. And in theory, this should be wonderful thread. Motor oil for tapping thread. Any oil will be good. Then 2mm hole is too big for this tap, so I drill 2 and 2mm, then use another taps because these three pieces didn't work. This is simple one piece tap and everything done. I took screws M2 and 5 and from one side of my pencil is screw. Then diamond paste for polishing our pencil. Wheel for polishing, a screwdriver and polishing. It's easy to do. Now clearing our stainless steel part, then middle part of the pencil, sharpening it, put inside. It's tight because it's 2mm and hole 2mm. Look how it's nice and small. So test, subscribe, yeah! Scale about 1 gram. If we take simple pencil for 2mm rod, it's about 8 gram.
Oh, it was so wonderful.
Yes, video was cool. I think you have to subscribe on this channel and leave a comment below.
In a workshop so bright, under Tinker's light, I crafted a little pencil shining in the night. From stainless steel, so strong it took just 3 milli, with a screw on one side, making it even better. All my little pencil fit for Lego hands, a tiny masterpiece made with my own hands, with a 2 inlet ready to create in the world of imagination. It's never too late. Masterpiece made with my own hands, with a 2 inlet ready to create in the world of imagination. It's never too late, my little held in Lego hands. With every mark it makes, a new story unfolds in a realm of endless wonders where the young and old. Oh, my little pencil fit for Lego hands, a tiny masterpiece made with my own hands. With a 2 and the inlet ready to create in the world of imagination. It's never too late. Tower so tall, 2 tiny little hands. My pencil sketches futures held in Lego hands. With every mark it makes, a new story unfolds in a realm of endless wonders where the young and old. From towers so tall to tiny little lands, my pencil sketches futures held in Lego hands. With every mark it makes, a new story unfolds in a realm of endless wonders where the young and old. So here's to tiny tools and the dreams they draw in a world of bricks and builders. There are no laws with my little pencil. Magic fills the air in the world of Lego wonders. Creativity we share.